Hello friends, today Brezziana is here for you to show you the background for beautiful Hydrangea flowers. Let me tell you something about these flowers. These are spring flowers. As you all know that spring has already arrived. So why not start with the spring flowers and gather the positivity from nature by creating your own art. First of all, we are going to take a flat brush like this. I have taken this flat brush. It is a Omega brush. You can take any brush of your choice, but if you take a flat one, it will be easy for you to create the background. So friends, let's get started. First of all, we need to take a jar of water like this. Squish our brush in water, take off the extra water, and then we can start with our painting. The colors that we need for painting the background for Hydrangea flowers are sky blue, cadmium white and yellow. First of all, we are going to grab a little bit of blue and a little bit of white just on the tip and mix them together, create the blue background. So as usual, we are going to create the background, and after the background is done, I am going to wait for few minutes for it to dry up so that we can create the flowers on it. See friends, I have used a pre-gessoed canvas. So after doing the gesso work, you can start with your background painting. I'm trying to create the background for Hydrangea flowers, which is a super easy flower to create. And since it is a spring flower and spring has already arrived, as you all know, so it will be great for our living room, kids' room, and it will generate positivity throughout. So we can go with the season, we can go with nature every time we create new painting so that the positivity is increased day by day. So the background painting, as I have already shown you earlier too, is super easy. We are just going to create, since I am giving you a live demonstration, so I am showing you everything. See how I have painted. This time I have used white too in large quantity because I need to create a whitish bluish background. See how it is. It is not only a blue texture that is showing off, it is a white and blue texture together that is showing off. So it's like this. You just need to use your brush on your canvas like this and start. See, after we are done more than half the portion of this canvas, we are going to clean our brush again by squishing it in a jar of water and taking off the extra water, cleaning it thoroughly so that no paint is left in it, because we are going to use a different color for the next part of the canvas. So the color that I am going to use for the next part of the canvas is yellow and white. I am going to grab a little bit of yellow on the brush like this, and then I am going to get some of the paint on the tip like this. White color I am going to use. So let's get started friends with this yellow and white touch that I am trying to give this canvas, creating this background. One thing more I need to tell you, this time we should use white more because we need to focus on the flowers, which will ultimately be very cool to look at if you create a light background. So I am going to use white color more. So yellow and white mixed together give this type of a texture, and it is super easy, super fun, as well as it doesn't take time. It hardly takes few minutes to create this background, and then we can move on to our flowers, that is hydrangea this time. The background has already been painted. We are just going to mix both the yellow and the blue together. We are going to mingle both the yellow and the blue color like this, so that the painting appears to be more beautiful. See how I am mixing the two colors. I am using a dry brush like this and mixing. Wherever you find the mixing has not been done properly, you can just use a light brush like this and try to mingle both of them. That is yellow and blue colors together. For today, I have already created the background for hydrangea flowers. The point to be noted is the background is very light as compared to other paintings, so that flowers projects out in a beautiful way and they can be seen beautifully. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and press on the bell notifications to get more uploads on such art.